Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, I'm in the kitchen still, haven't left. We're going to be making an apple crumble today for our travel buddy oven, which is in the FJ as I speak, preheating to temperature. We have got some aluminum trays or aluminium trays, depending on where you come from. We've got a big one, we've got a small one. We're probably going to use the largest one we got there. So what we'll do now is I'll run through some ingredients that we're going to be using for my apple crumble and we'll go from there. Okay guys, here's some of the ingredients we're going to be using today. We're going to be using our apples. We're going to be using some brown sugar, some flour. This is self-raising flour. I think there's about a cup and a bit in there. And butter, salted or unsalted, I don't know, I don't care. This is salted butter. All right, we'll just put the apples in the container and then we'll make that crumbly bit. Well, we've got the apple in the bottom of the tray. I basically get it out of the can, put it in there, and it's done. Doesn't that look pretty? I think it does. Okay, now what we're going to do is make the crumble bit. All right, so we've got some flour, self-raising flour, and we've got butter. Is it measured to proportion? I don't know, I just added a little bit and almost did a Jace. So we're going to crumble this into there. So we make the flour like breadcrumbs. So we'll just blend it all in together. I'm crumbling, apparently. I've been told this is crumbling. And I did use hand sanitizer, by the way, before I crumbled. So this is all crumbled in. So we've got the butter and the flour in there. Looks pretty crumbly. We'll just add our little bit of brown sugar in there and pop it in there and see what happens, eh? And you crumble this through again as well. And it crumbles. And we'll just crumble it up and I'll give you a look at that in a minute. All right, so we've added the brown sugar. We've made a nice crumbly here. Now you can use one or two things to add to this. You can use desiccated coconut, or what we're going to use, because we've got some porridge here, or oats, whatever you want to call it, we're going to add that to this, the crumbly part, the ingredients, and then we spread it on top of the apples, and then we'll pop it in the oven. All right, let's go. How much? All right, so we've got it all blended up beautifully together, and we're going to just pop it on top of my apples. Well, it looks all right, doesn't it? So we're pre-preparing because we're going on a big adventure this weekend. One weekend anyway, soon. So we just pop it on top. Looks pretty fresh. Look at that, eh? Yum. All right, we'll pop this in the Travel Buddy oven and see how we go with that. I'll let you know about the times too on this one. I'm guessing probably, what, 10, half hour. All right, guys, we're just going to put the apple crumble in there that we made before. I put a little bit extra butter on the top because it looked a little bit dry, to be quite honest with you. So the oven's ready to go. I've got to remember not to burn my fingers on this one. It's going to go on the bottom rack at about 200-ish. So there we go. Just give it some time, pop it straight in. Done. All right, we'll come back in an hour. All right, guys, the apple crumble's been in there for about an hour and a half now. I'll pop it open and have a look, see how it went. Warm. Oh, that's all right. Come up well. Not as brown at the top as I would like, but it's not too bad for my first attempt. Well, that was all right. Good. All right, so that's for dessert for tonight. Yummy. All right, we'll see you in the next video, and I'll leave my secret recipe in the link below. All right, guys, we'll see you next time. Bye for now. I'm gonna turn it off. Go over a little bit.